There are many hassles around the world of healthcare in general and in a patient's journey in specific. From the moment a patient is injured or feels sick to the moment they are discharged from the hospital, they have to go through so many tiring, small processes. Simplifying and speeding up these complex processes for the patients and making their lives easier through business solutions is just one of the things that we focus on here at Emircom. Imagine a person has gotten injured due to, let's say, a car accident. The last thing they want to do is deal with registrations, paperwork, and forms. Through our business solutions, we aim to assist these patients in shortening these lengthy processes and making sure that their journey at the healthcare provider goes on with minimal to no additional challenges. My name is Rawad Abdel Malak, and I head the healthcare practice at Emircom. I started working at Emircom at the beginning of 2023 to establish this industry practice. Emircom, being one of the first and biggest IT and systems integrators in the region, has been very successful in assisting organizations with their IT needs throughout the decades. And we strongly believe that it is time to take the initiative to start helping people around the ecosystem of healthcare and easing patients' transition in and out of these systems, while focusing on the services we provide to our clients, ranging from infrastructure to security to software solutions and now industry-focused solutions around healthcare. We cannot stress enough on the importance of corporate CRM that helps us organize our data, projects, and relationships with our partners and clients alike. Alongside our top resources and expertise, the data stored by Emircom, which is centered around sales, is our most valuable asset. And with Salesforce, the process of storing and using our data became a lot easier. This brought us to working with Inspark. And ever since the beginning of our partnership with Inspark, they have been very efficient in their delivery, very flexible in terms of their timing, and all in all, very helpful in customization of Salesforce program to align with our specific needs, making an important contribution to the successful implementation and delivery of Salesforce. Inspark made it their primary objective to make sure the process of organizing our projects and engagements with our clients was handled with the utmost caution, and the transition to their system was smooth and very quick. One of the issues we faced, for example, with our data was the overuse of unreliable sources such as offline documents. Following up and tracking projects and opportunities progress was all too inefficient. An added obstacle was that everyone had their own style of storing data and reporting. These different styles of reporting caused inconveniences and sometimes miscommunication. Thankfully, due to the implementation of Salesforce, these issues are now avoided. Taking future growth into consideration, especially at an always growing organization such as Emircom, Salesforce was well optimized and designed with a unique sense of compatibility for our work at Emircom, which is just what I had asked of the team at Inspark. In the meetings we had with them, we made sure to create a mental image of exactly what we were looking for. My goal was the implementation of a CRM program that could help us with all the challenges we were facing, and I was very impressed to see how quickly Inspark managed to bring our vision to life with their service. At Emircom, we were focused on making the Salesforce solution user-friendly and effective and powerful enough to give us the information that we need. I believe the team at Inspark were very professional as they helped us implement Salesforce exactly how we envisioned it in a concise amount of time, taking no more than few meetings and a short number of weeks to deliver up to expectations. A substantial component of the Salesforce solution was the customizability. Our dashboards are now clear and give us the exact information that we need to see and use. The employees can now monitor their own performance along with the opportunities they are working on, and their managers can track their progress as well. Not only does this make it easier for the management, but it also gives the company a 360-degree view of its customers and employees. The ability to see what my team is doing with their clients and partners at any given moment has helped us greatly at Emircom. I must thank Inspark for their dedication and commitment in implementing Salesforce for us.